Bradycardia. Brady means slow, cardia means heart. So bradycardia is irregularity in the heart rhythm or heart rate. And in bradycardia, the heart rate is less than 60 beats per minute. And the opposite of bradycardia is tachycardia. Heart rate is more than 100 beats per minute. So bradycardia is a slow heart rate of less than 60 beats per minute. The cerebrovascular accident (CVA). Cerebral means brain, vascular means pertaining to the blood vessel, and accident is disease or disorder. Cerebrovascular accident, also known as a stroke, a sudden damage to the brain resulting from reduction of blood flow, and the cause of cerebrovascular accident may include atherosclerosis, embolism, thrombosis, or hemorrhage from a rupture, aneurysm, and commonly called stroke. Cerebrovascular accident can cause the ischemia, shortage of blood supply for the brain tissue, and treatment of cerebrovascular accident is of limited results. Clubbing, what does it mean? This is a normal angle of nerve edge, and this is a distorted angle of nerve edge. And lobbing is enlargement of the ends of the fingers and toes caused by the row of soft tissue around the nails. It's the manifestation of pulmonary disease or cardiovascular disease. And lupin can be seen in a variety of diseases in which there is poor peripheral circulation and leading to the overall of the soft tissue around the nose. Coarctation of the aorta. Coarctation means narrowing. This is descending aorta, and this is another point. There will be the increased blood pressure before the point of coarctation, and beyond the point of coarctation, there will be a low blood pressure. The coarctation of the aorta is a localized narrowing of the aorta with a restriction of blood flow downstream. C-reactive protein CRP. This is a protein produced during systemic inflammation and contributing to atherosclerosis. So with the higher concentration of C-reactive protein CRP, that can indicate cardiovascular disease and its prognosis. Cyanosis. What does cyanosis mean? Cyanosis means bluish discoloration of the skin caused by lack of oxygen, and this is the manifestation or the signs of many cardiovascular diseases, for example, the heart failure. Deep vein thrombosis, DVT. Thrombosis means a formation of clots in the deep vein, and this is a vein with thrombosis, and thrombus break loose or dislodges to become the embolus and travel to another area, the lungs or the brain, and cause obstruction of the blood flow. Deep vein thrombosis usually occur in the leg because there is a force of gravity. Thrombophlebitis involving the defense. Thrombo means blood clot, and phlebitis is the inflammation of the veins involving the defense. It's so dangerous because there is a risk of embolism in the lungs or a pulmonary embolism or embolism in central nervous system. Diaphoresis, dia means full. Diaphoresis means profuse sweating happen in angina pectoris of myocardial infarction or severe pain. Dyslipidemia. This means dysfunction lipid in the healthy tissue ischemia blood condition. Dyslipidemia is a disorder of lipid concentration in the bloodstream. Dyslipidemia may include hyperlipidemia, high lipids, hypercholesterolemia, high cholesterol, and hypertriglyceridemia, high triglycerides. Dyslipidemia is a disorder in serum lipid levels, an important factor in development of atherosclerosis. The patient with the diseases diabetes mellitus, smoking cigarette, obesity has a high risk of development of dyslipidemia, and is important factors in atherosclerosis and coronary artery diseases. Dyspnea. This means dysfunction and nea means breathing. So dyspnea means difficulty in reading, difficult on labor reading. The manifestation includes suprasternal retraction, increased rate of breathing, cyanosis, and usually manifested in heart failure, lung diseases.